We never get to see him. Selfie time. There he goes. Well, we got a red tri-coat to paint. Nope, it's not that one. It's in the booth. Oh, what's going on, boys? Only took about 2 hours to mask up.
Yeah, 2 hours faster than you, right?
That would be a true statement. So this is a red tri-coat. I'm gonna go show you guys what the tri-coat actually is. So it is a red base coat with a tinted clear for this particular car. I gotta double check the color code. I'm not the one painting it, Laz is painting it, but he's the exceptional. And I'm actually gonna give me a chance to actually show you what he's doing. So it is a red tri-coat. They haven't mixed the color up yet. And after that, it is a red tinted clear, which in our system comes pre-mixed. And if you look at it, it is a red bloody tri-coat coat, red clear coat. We put the hardeners in here. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna break it down for you guys, and let's see how it comes out. It's a long process to do. It usually holds up the boot for a long time because we don't want to throw too much heat at it, because we've experienced solvent pop. And solvent pop pretty much is when you have a lot of material and then you're baking it, putting heat on it, and the top surface starts to dry, whereas the bottom it's not yet dry, and little solvents are trying to gas out, and they gas out in the form of little dots all over the place. So we'll see how we do, and let's get this thing going. So this is the color that Laz got, and this is just the base coat. You can see I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it was 8 different toners that actually go into this mix. We're gonna watch him mix it up, and this is just the base coat itself. After that will be the tinted clear, which we're gonna show you needs to be sprayed in such a fashion. Now, someone just sprayed tinted clear really well.
Yeah, this guy.
But he doesn't like to give anyone tips on Instagram. So you can see as he's pouring it, it gets down to 0 because he's dropping it in little by little. Let's see if he messes up. He always does good. He's on to the next. So come on in. Let's be super quiet because this is his first time on camera. He will blame us if he messes up. Professional. That's what we have here. Professionals. We zero out all our paint on camera. All right, so we're gonna talk about what's going on here. This particular car received a scratch right here, and we had to obviously feather out the repair. We can't just paint this door, because if we were to paint this door, it wouldn't match. We actually have to blend the color. And blending is an art form. To look like the color is identical, we're really just fooling the eye. That doesn't mean we take the wrong color and blend it. We get as close as we can, and we blend it out. So we're gonna be blending the front fender. As you can see, I think it's a scuff of, it looks like 1,000 or 800, you would say? Yeah. If you burn through an edge, okay, you have just defeated the purpose. And what a burn through means is if you sand through the clear all the way to the color, which you'll know when it happens, and I'll try to show you what that looks like. This will be a burn through right here. See here? Okay, that's a burn through. You don't want to burn through on a blend panel. Now that was a chip repair that we did, a little small chip, but our blend is gonna be to about here. So we're gonna take color to here, Okay, and then the tri-coat is going to be, I believe he's going to do a reverse blend.
Yeah.
And it's going to start here first,
Yeah.
and then in, which we'll show you because that can get a little bit confusing.
Yeah.
And and maybe you can talk about that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so he already sprayed clear base and now he's just wiping it down. Clear base looks good. Clear base pretty much gives you a uniform finish and it allows for the base to kind of just land on a nice surface. That's nice. So he blended into here a little bit, okay? And we had a chip here and there, so we had to take the color a little bit more. So this is the base coat. There is a tinted clear coat that is going to come after this. Now, I'm gonna show you the second base coat and maybe the third, depending if it needs it. And then we're gonna show you the tinted clear, how we do that, and then the clear coat after that. But you have to wait. This is a very long process in painting because you have to actually allow the tinted clear to dry. But you see how sheen this is? You can still see here, it is very light, okay? But the second and third coat will get that. We'll take care of that. So we'll show you the second coat coming up right now. Okay, so the base coat's all done. We're gonna utilize the 3M sun gun. And what this does is it imitates the sun's rays. So the reason why we're gonna use this is we're gonna check the paint. We're gonna see if we have proper coverage. On red, it's very translucent color. And if we don't have proper color coverage, when we get this car done out in the sun, you'll be able to see right through the prime, right through the paint, and you'll see exactly where the primer was. So we got to turn the lights off. We're gonna go into the booth and we're gonna check it out right now. All right. So we're looking at our primer area and I don't see any areas where the primer was. Let me check these areas. We got a nice blend so far. We are now ready. Okay, so this is the color. Wow, like a watermelon. Look at that. It's translucent red. So we're gonna spray this probably 1.5 coats. We'll see once we get it on the actual car. So the process he's gonna do is a reverse blend, right? That means he's gonna take the blend as far as he's actually gonna paint, and then the next steps are gonna be within that blend.
The candy going on?
Yeah. So he's going to spray it at medium wet. It's not going to be perfectly glossy, but he's going to spray it wet enough to the point where it's going to look very uniform. So let's watch him do that right now. Woo. Watch that hose. Watch that hose. Okay, so you saw him do the first coat. We're gonna really take a look at it and see if it needs a second coat. Some of these things, you might ask me how many coats, how many this. You just have to, it depends on the job, and you have to assess the situation as a professional, or using your best judgment. So here it is. It's not gonna be 100% glossy. It's not supposed to be. It is only a tinted clear coat. That's all it is. So right here, we wanna make sure we stayed away from the edge, because we want that area to still match, okay? And we had to take it further than the base coat. So the base coat stopped here, tinted clear stops here. We had our damage all the way up into here, into this area. So that's why, you really can lose track real quick, and you gotta stay consistent to your areas and keep them very, very tight. So we'll see if we're gonna do the second coat. If not, we're just gonna jump into clear and we'll go from there. Cafecito time.
Then you gotta have lots of
cafecito.
Yeah, what's that?
voiceover then. Here I was doing the reverse candy spray.
May I try, please? The one from the bottom, not the top.
You wanna try some of this?
Just a little.
Oh, we don't wanna.
Thank you.
Take it to the head. Just take it down. Just take it down, Brian.
I can't do it all at once like that.
He's got a small one. Oh man, you threw the garbage on my bag.
Oh man. Oh man. I feel like a man. Woo! All right, time to work. We never get to see him. Selfie time. There he goes. Gotta love that guy. All right, this is second coat. He's not gonna go as far. He's keeping the paint within the area that he's already sprayed. All right. That's good. Perfect. What do you think, buddy?
Well, this is looking really nice right
Yeah?
now. I like how it looks.
Yeah. Do you know how to do something like this?
Yeah, check out my Instagram.
Oh.
You'll see what I do.
He doesn't know how to make videos yet, but he does slideshows, and he's learning.
Yeah.
Like the slideshows were cool in the 90s, right?
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere.
And who's your inspiration?
Oh, Brian.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, right. So he's, we baked it at 135 degrees at 30 minutes. It's looking really good. I want to show you up close. This is normal. This is where it feathers out, okay? All the way through will be glossy into about here, like I talked to you before. And now he's gonna put 2 coats of clear. You do not sand this at all. You do not touch it. You do not tack it. You don't do anything. Don't touch it at all. And then he'll spray 2 coats of the Glamour Clear, which is a high dollar clear. It's the only clear you can really use with this system. And then that's going to make that area shine again, and it's going to protect, and it's the finishing process. So he's mixing up the clear right now. I will show you that, and then we'll see how it looks all in the end. That's really blowing. Look, look at it. Beautiful. beautiful. Very nice. Okay, we waited about 25 minutes for flash, so we're now ready for the second and final coat. Looks good. Go a little bit wetter. Very nice. Walk away. Next morning we are back. We didn't use any heat at all. And check it out. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out now. See what it looks like outside. All right, check it out outside, how beautiful he did. It is amazingly close to factory. Just pretty much it is a factory paint job. Look how nice that is. Color is perfect. So good job, Laz. He's gonna assemble it, and we're gonna leave this video right here because it's gonna be assembled by the end of the day, and I want to go ahead and get this out. So anyways, I want to thank everyone for joining me in on this video. Maybe if you're not even going to do a red tri-coat, or if you don't even paint, it's just a cool thing to see how the automotive paint industry works. Hopefully I broke it down enough for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you didn't, tell me why. Tell me what you might want to see in the comments below. Check out my Acura Painter Instagram. Go ahead over there. Also Acura Honda Classic, where we're going to be working on some cool projects. Let me show you something we're going to be working on that you might want to take a sneak peek over at that page, Acura Honda Classic, also their Instagram, because you're going to see this in some coming videos on my page and Acura Honda Classic page. So check this out right here. So coming in future videos, if you want to see all that, we appreciate the subscribe, likes, and all that good stuff. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.